we are doing my fidgets.
Yeah. Okay, for one, we bet you don't have a Tucky Squishy and a Nido. That's
Probably.
like impossible.
I have a Nido right here with the symbol.
That's actually
Whoa, that's so good.
And you bet I don't have a tacky squishy right here, y'all. And this is not made out of paper. Like, I literally got this.
Okay, I believe you now. Can I feel one of them?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
What
This
else
is
do you
so
bet I
good.
don't have?
I bet you don't have a white dumpling.
That's like the easiest thing.
That's
in
like,
the
I
book.
know.
But of course she's gonna have a white dumpling if she's a squishy collector.
I know. Okay.
It's so common.
Well,
By the way, wait. Make sure you subscribe to Nicole Jacqueline. She's got the world's biggest squishy collection. She's the best. And she's giving away, if you include 3 friends with watching her videos and like and subscribe, you will get 3 fuzzballs and loads of Nidos. Make sure you subscribe to her because she is the best girl.
I bet you don't have, let's say, a Stitch butter.
You bet I don't have a Stitch butter.
Yeah.
Bro, that is the easiest thing. I literally have one right here.
Wow. Okay.
I think you're really good.
You're really good.
I
I
think
love
you don't
your
have-
strawberry butter squishy. It's so
Thank
nice.
you.
Is there anything you don't have?
Well, try guess.
I mean,
First of all, Nido.
No.
you don't
They're
have
a
an
bit
icy.
Hmm?
You don't have an icy.
Mm,
Do you have a cheese?
yeah, I do actually.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
So good. My friend has the rainbow one.
That's a fake, isn't it?
Yeah. I've also got this.
Yeah, that is so
Yeah.
cool.
What's it called?
Clark it. I don't know. And I've
Looks a
also-
bit like a moon ball.
Let me show you my Stitch, right? This squishy and this squishy a bit better, and my cheese and my Nido.
This
a
dumpling
bit
is so
better. 1 second,
satisfying.
guys. This is my tacky squishy that I did say I had, and I am not faking. This is my Stitch butter, and it's not fake because look, it's got the 400 network thing, so it's not fake.
This is the
Cheese. I've also got the rainbow squishy, which is also not fake, and I've got this and a Nido.
And if you look
There's
really
the sign.
closely, that is the sign. Look.
And she got a dumpling.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it. But like, it may be.
Can you
a
see
little
that sign
blurry.
right there?
Yeah, right there.
There.
She made this
I
water
did.
squishy. It is so satisfying. Can you hear this? And she made it. So yeah.
And I also have this cute little green thing.